Do you know about the Michelin?
It is a book.
It is the book, Yana. The Bible.
Did you know the world's most prestigious food award was actually started by a tire company? Yes, the Michelin star, the ultimate symbol of culinary excellence and the dream of chefs around the globe, was introduced by the Michelin Tire Company. In 1900, the Michelin Tire Company in France published a Michelin guide. It was like a traveling guide which consists of useful information such as maps, petrol stations, mechanics, and places to eat. The goal of this guide was to encourage people to drive more, wear out their tires faster, and ultimately buy more Michelin tires. But over the time, the restaurant section became very popular. People were more interested in finding great food than looking up gas stations. The Michelin brothers recognized this, and in 1926 they started giving a Michelin star to exceptionally good restaurants. At first, only single star was given to outstanding restaurants, but by 1931 they adopted the 3-star rating system that we know today. 1 star for a very good restaurant in its category, 2 stars for excellent cooking worth a detour, and 3 stars for exceptional cuisine worth a special journey. Also, they kept their process extremely secretive. They have a team of highly trained and experienced food critics which is always unknown to the world. These are called inspectors. These inspectors never announce their visit, and the restaurants have no idea that they are being evaluated.
No one knows who they are. No one. They come, they eat, they go. But
Also, a restaurant is never awarded a star based on single visit, but multiple inspectors return multiple times, and if they agree, the stars are awarded. As per the available information, restaurant is evaluated based on 5 key criteria. One is quality of ingredients. Second is mastery of cooking techniques and flavors. Next is chef's personality in the cuisine. Fourth is value for money and consistency of food across visits. Also, do note one thing, a Michelin star is awarded to a restaurant, not to an individual chef. If a restaurant is awarded a star, the chef who was in charge at that time is often credited for achieving it, and often refer themselves as Michelin star chef as a badge of honor. It's not official tag. Even if a chef leaves a Michelin starred restaurant, the stars do not follow them. They remain with the establishment or restaurant unless it loses its rating in future evaluations. Now the question is, who received the first Michelin star? Well, actually, it was never made public. In 1926 Michelin Guide publication, when 1-star rating system was introduced, there were several restaurants from France, so we don't know who was the first one. But when 3-star rating system was introduced, the first restaurant which was given first 3-star was La Maison Trois Gros, a famous restaurant from France, which remains one of the most iconic Michelin-starred establishments today. Also, till date no Indian restaurant in India has received a Michelin star. This is because Michelin Guide has not covered India yet. Indian chefs who received stars earned them for restaurants in countries where the Michelin Guide operates. Now question is, who can apply for Michelin star? Firstly, applications are not invited for Michelin star. If the restaurant is currently in Michelin Guide, then they are assessed regularly and anonymously by Michelin inspectors. Any restaurant can request to be considered for inclusion in the guide, and Michelin also welcomes recommendations from its readers.